The SCP Foundation issued a containment breach alert for the city of Los Angeles. It seems that the SCP-780, more known as the Happy Bear, has escaped in the containment breach. Every SCP that was not the Happy Bear, which now is Class Apollyon, didn't escape in the containment breach, but the Happy Bear killed almost 25 guards and 40 Class E prisoners and escaped. The Council of Los Angeles declared martial law in the city until new alert. Thanks for your attention.
The last ride.
Play for it.
You better catch up.
That was so funny I forgot to laugh.
Score one for the Ron Man.
And two for me.
McDonald's extremely goofy action figures take on ramps, curves, and
The SCP Foundation issued a dangerous SCP ahead alarm for the city of Los Angeles. It seems that the SCP-780, known as the Happy Bear, which is Class Apollyon, killed almost 650 persons in Los Angeles. The SCP team is currently searching him. We recommend you to stay in your house until next alert. Thanks.